Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, The Maths Booth. Today I am here with class 10th, chapter 4 quadratic equation from new NCERT textbook. In this video we are going to solve exercise 4.2, first main question. In this there are sub questions. Let us see first one question here. Find the roots of the following quadratic equation by factorization. So let us start solving this by factorization. Here the first question is x square minus 3x minus 10 equal to 0. What we have to do is we have to first and last number we will multiply. Here nothing means 1. 1 tens are. First let us see the sign. Plus minus minus 10 into x square 10x square. Okay. First and last number what we have to do? We have to multiply it. So I multiplied. Now we have to find two such numbers. When we multiply we should get this number, and when we add or subtract we should get middle number. First two we have multiplied, right? First and last. So what is remaining now? Middle number is remaining. So when we add and subtract we should get this middle number, but when we multiply we should get this number. First we will see for multiply. We know 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. 5 plus 3 is 5 2s are 10. Okay. 5 plus 2 is 7. We don't have 7 here. Okay. 5 minus 2 is 3. But we want minus 3. So what we will do? Minus 5 plus 2. Correct? X. Because x into x square. 5 2s are 10. Plus minus minus. Okay. Let us write now. If we solve this, we get minus 3x, right? That is the middle number. Okay. X square as it is. First number as it is, we should write. In place of minus 3x, what we have to write? These two numbers. Minus 5x plus 2x. This minus as it is, 10 as it is, equal to 0. Okay. Now we will divide into two groups. First group, second group. In these two groups, we should check what is common. In first group, what is common? We can see here also x is there, here also x is there. So x is common. Here x square is there. One x common means one more remains. Minus x have taken common. What remains? 5. Okay. Here we can see what is common here. 2 is common. Why? In 2 table 10 comes. 2 5s are 10. Na? So we will take plus 2 common. 2 common outside means what remains? X. 2 how many are 10? 2 5s are 10. Equal to 0. So common bracket I will write. I'll take the common bracket outside. We can see here we have same x minus 5, x minus 5. I have taken common bracket outside. What remains? X plus 2 equal to 0. Now let us separate x minus 5 equal to 0 and x plus 2 equal to 0. This 0 we have separated. X is equals to minus 5 if we bring this side 5, and x is equals to plus 2 if we bring this side minus 2. So 5 and minus 2 are the roots of given quadratic equation. What we can write? 5 and minus 2 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Let us see this one now. Same step we have to do. First and last number multiply. Plus minus minus. Okay. 2 6 are 12x square. Okay. Now middle term we want plus x. So two numbers we should find in such a way that when we multiply we should get 12. When we add and subtract we should get 1 plus 1x. So which? 4 3s are 12. And 4 minus 3 if we do we get 1. But plus 1 we want. So here bigger number plus, smaller number minus. Why? If we solve this we are going to get plus x. And we got middle plus x. So let us solve now. Okay. 2x square plus 4x minus 3x, in place of this minus 6 equal to 0. Okay. What is common here? Let us do in two group. Here 2 also common and x also common. So I took 2 outside and x also we have taken outside. What remains? 1x remains. Plus sign as it is. X already taken common. 2 2s are 4. Okay. Now I can see a minus sign. So minus common I'll take. And 3 I'll take common. Why? Because 6 comes in 3 table. Minus 3 I have taken common. So x remains. Minus I have taken common. So minus becomes plus. 3 how many is a 6? 3 2s are 6. Common bracket x plus 2. Here one common bracket will be there only in factorization. X plus 2 is common. What remains? 2x minus 3 is equals to 0. X plus 2 equal to 0 and 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So x is equals to plus 2, it becomes minus 2, and 2x is equals to 3, that is x is equals to 3 by 2. Which are the roots? Minus 2 and 3 by 2 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Let us see the next equation here. Okay, third one. Here we can see it is in the root, but still we can solve it here. First and last number multiply. Root 2 x square into 5 root 2. Okay, here nothing means 1. 1 into 5, 5. Root 2 into root 2, root 2 square. X square as it is. Okay. Now 5 as it is, square and root get cancelled. X square as it is. 5 2s are 10. What we got first and last number when we multiply? 10x square. Now which two number we want? So that we can get plus 7x. Okay. 5 2s are 10. 5 plus 2, 7. Okay. Root 2 as it is, x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. Now what is common here? Let us take common. Okay, here we can see we have only x as a common. We can see we have only x common. So I'll take x common. What remains? Root 2, one more x remains, plus 5. But here in place of 2, I will take this 2 as root 2 root 2. Why? Because we know, for example, I'll take any number here, 3. 3 is nothing but root 3 root 3. Why? Root 3 into root 3 square. Square and root get cancelled, again it is 3 only. So in place of 2, what I have taken? Root 2. I have considered that. Why? Because I need common. 2 means I have considered root 2. So I'll take root 2 common. If I have taken root 2, 1 root 2 common means one more remains. It remains root 2x plus root 2 already common. What remains? 5 is equals to 0. Now common bracket I'll write root 2x plus 5. What remains? X plus root 2. Remaining numbers is equals to 0. Root 2x plus 5 equal to 0 and x plus root 2 equal to 0. Root 2x is equals to minus 5. X is equals to minus 5 by root 2. One value. And x is equals to minus root 2. So therefore minus 5 by root 2 and minus root 2 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Let us see the next question. Here the next question is, we can see 2x square minus x plus 1 plus 1 by 8. Now this is in a fraction form. So what we will do? We will multiply this. 8 2s are 16x square minus 8 into x, 8x plus 1 is equals to this 8, 0 into 8, 0. Now let us multiply first and last term. 16x into 1, 16x square. We have to find two such number. When we add or subtract, we should get minus 8. So which number? 4 4s are 16. But both minus. Because if we do both minus, then only we can do plus. Minus 4 minus 4 minus 8. So x, we got the minus 4x is nothing but minus 8x, and we want minus 8x only in the middle. So let us substitute 16x square minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. Let us take the common. What is common here? 4 common and x also common. 4 how many is a 16? 4 4s are 16. 1x already taken common, 1x remains. Minus this 4x completely I have taken common. Nothing means 1. Okay. Now I am taking minus common. Nothing is common. Here 4x and here 1. We can see here nothing is common. So nothing common means 1. What remains? 4x. I have taken minus common. So plus becomes minus is equals to 0. Common bracket 4x minus 1. Remaining bracket also 4x minus 1 is equals to 0. 4x minus 1 equal to 0 and 4x minus 1 is equals to 0. 4x is equals to minus 1 if we bring this side, 1. X is equals to 1 by 4. Same thing, 4x is equals to minus 1 if we take this side, it becomes 1. X is equals to 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 and 1 by 4 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Let us see the last one of this main. Same, but this and this is exactly same. 100 x square 1 is 100 x square. Okay, we should find two such number. We should get minus 20 in between. That is same. 10 tens are 100, but we want minus sign. So minus 10 x x. Same problem. 100 x square minus 10x plus 1 equal to 0. Let us see the common. 10 is common. 10 how many? 10 and x is common. Here x also is common. 10x. 10 tens are 100. X square is there. 1x common, so 1x remains. Complete 10x is outside. That is common. So minus 1. Nothing means 1. Because complete 10x is outside. Nothing remains means 1. Here minus, I'll take common. Nothing is common. Can we see? Here 10x and here 1. So no common here. If no common, 1 is a common. We should take 1 outside. Minus 10x, it becomes plus 10x, and this plus, it becomes minus. Why? Because I've taken minus as common. If we multiply, you see, minus minus plus is equals to 0. Let us write common bracket 10x minus 1. Remaining bracket is also 10x minus 1 is equals to 0. 10x minus 1 equal to 0 and 10x minus 1 equal to 0. So 10x is equals to minus 1. If we take 1, it becomes plus 1. Same thing here. 10x is equals to minus 1 if we take this side, plus 1. X is equals to 1 by 10 and x is equals to 1 by 10. Why we have got every answer 2 roots? Because quadratic. Quadratic means 2, power 2, and that means we have 2 roots. Therefore 1 by 10 and 1 by 10 are the roots of given quadratic equation. So this completes the first main of this exercise. In my next video I am coming up with the next main. Do like and share. Thank you.